What is Cardano? A beginner's guide. Cardano is an open-source decentralized blockchain network launched in 2017. Ethereum's co-founder Charles Hoskinson founded this platform to build dApps and projects with the proof-of-stake mechanism. This was when Ethereum still had proof-of-work as its consensus mechanism, and thus Cardano became one of the first cryptocurrency networks to adopt POS. The idea was to create an ecosystem for cryptocurrencies that is more stable. Cardano's cryptocurrency ADA reached approximately $1 in January, just 3 months after its launch. However, it declined and remained almost stagnant in 2018, 2019, and 2020. In 2021, the price started picking up, and we saw a sudden spike by the end of the first month. By September 2021, the cryptocurrency's price reached an all-time high of $3.10. Now that you have a brief overview of the cryptocurrency, let's take a deeper look at the platform, the purpose of the ADA, the benefits, and where you can buy the cryptocurrency. Let's dive in. Purpose of Cardano. Cardano was built to mitigate the issues Ethereum faced as a blockchain network. These included transaction speed, network traffic, and high fees. Thus all the dApps created on the platform have this as one of their implicit focuses. Furthermore, the network is also pushing for a higher level of decentralization to promote more democracy in the ecosystem. These intent and principles form the purpose of Cardano as a network. The platform has dApps that offer different services. Below is a list covering a few major categories. DEX, Atomic Swap, Sunday Swap, Min Swap. NFT, Cardano NFT Marketplace, Dead Pixels, Space Buds, and more. Wallet, CC Wallet, 𝐥𝐤𝐤 Wallet. While these are just a few projects, there are numerous others currently active on the blockchain network, including Blockchain Explorer, Stake Pool Directory, monitoring of on-chain metrics, and more. Furthermore, Tim Harrison, the Director of Communication for Cardano, tweeted a screenshot in January, indicating that 199 dApps were being built on Cardano. This covers the Cardano network as a whole, but you might be wondering what exactly is the use of its cryptocurrency ADA. Let me help you out with that. ADA is the native cryptocurrency token, which can be used for transactions on the network for various dApps. Besides this, the token is also considered a governance token, holding which one can vote on important decisions taken on the blockchain. These decisions include how the platform will progress and evolve, what kind of projects will the network house, and more. Besides this, the coin can also be staked in return for rewards. Benefits of Cardano. Now that you know about the platform and the cryptocurrency, let's have a look at some of their key benefits. The network offers incredibly fast transactions when compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin. Currently, it processes 250 transactions per second, TPS, but it's planning to upgrade it to 1 million transactions per second with the help of a scaling solution known as Hydra. It has a much lesser gas fee compared to Ethereum. In January, its fee was valued at about 22 cents and 0.19 ADA. The ecosystem's decentralization means a higher degree of democratization. It is more eco-friendly compared to various other cryptocurrencies. Where to buy ADA? If the purpose and the benefits appeal to you and you want to get your hands on the cryptocurrency, here's how you can do it. ADA is available on crypto exchanges such as Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, etc. Alternatively, you can also buy the crypto directly from Cardano's decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like Sunday Swap. This can be your initial purchase. To grow your ADA volume, you can either indulge in the staking operations on the network or also provide liquidity pools. This way, you can earn more ADA in the form of rewards. Conclusion. This is a simple overview of Cardano. One of the biggest challenges the network has faced is its lack of utility and projects on the network. However, this might soon change with the announcement of upcoming projects in 2022.